Alright guys, so today I'm going to make a trade breakdown once again. Hold on. Okay, recently I posted a video. This is now my second video. I hope you liked the previous one. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it. I was basically making another trade breakdown on how you can turn $10 to $100. Go watch the video. Anyways, in trading there's two things: you can either fail or you can either win. In possibilities of failure, that doesn't mean that you need to stop. And okay, let's get into the video so I can explain to you how this trade worked out and what went wrong. Anyway, so you should know what an ascending channel is. You're probably familiar with this. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. You're probably familiar with this right here. So this level was respected and this level was respected. Here it was respected, then boom, made a breakout, set my entry, made my entry. Then I think here's a Fibonacci retracement to get my take profit. Hold on, where's the thing again? Yep, right there. Here's a Fibonacci retracement to find my take profit from up here to down here, and that was my take profit. But instead of this trade going all the way down, it reversed. So yeah, I made a big loss from this. And if you try a strategy out and the trade fails, that doesn't mean that your strategy doesn't work. Sometimes things go wrong, and this strategy has worked for me a lot of times, like a lot of times. It has worked way more than it has failed, so I'm not gonna stop using it. But the thing that really pissed me off is this. Look. Right after it did that here. Right after it did that, look what happened. This thing came all the way down. Bam. Hit my stop loss from here. Then it's a consolidating over here. Breakout, then boom. It's going all the way down, and it could possibly hit take profit. Anyways, yeah, I said to take profits on this entry. I said to take profit with this entry. The first take profit was around over here. I set an alarm over here, and I just got notified like a few hours back that my first take profit got hit. And I was surprised. I'm like, shit. So imagine all I had to do was just raise this all the way up, or if I had to analyze this right here, because I was analyzing this before, but I think I forgot to do was I forgot to set an alarm right here. I forgot to set an alarm. The thing I did was I only left two alarms, one here and another one around here. Take profit one, and this was take profit two. But yeah, this I was actually analyzing it and just forgot about it. Okay, so that was on a 1 hour chart. Like I previously told you guys in the previous video how support and resistance works. So if you come over here, right after it went all the way up and hit my stop loss, it said consolidating around here and it made about 3 rejections. So this is our support level. It made about 1, 2 and 3. So this is our support level. So that means that level has been respected multiple times, and this is a 1 hour time frame. So I have to go to the lower time frame, maybe like 30 minutes. Then I check that same level once again. So this is our key level that was respected 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. Then right here there's a breakout, and that's why I would have made my entry. But me, I do not really find entries on a 30-minute time frame. I usually go to 15 and 5. And sometimes 30, maybe like if I'm on a 2 hour time frame, yeah, that's when I find my entries at 30 and 15. But since we're on a 1 hour time frame, I recommend you have to check all these other ones before you make your entry. So yeah, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, here you go. I can't lie, me on a 15-minute time frame, I usually do not trade for retracements, because bro, look at this. This is a Maribozo candlestick. It shows strong momentum to the downside. So from right here, as soon as I saw this, I would have made my entry right here. But if you're a patient guy, it's really nice to wait for retracements. It's really nice actually, and it's something I'm trying to learn till this day, the patience of waiting for retracements. And every trader has something they're trying to understand or learn in the market. But anyways, yeah, if I made my entry over here, I would bam, right there, boom, back to the 1 hour time frame, then find where to set my take profit. Actually, I would have put my take profit back to where it was, back to where I had previously put that, right here. Fibonacci retracement thing. So if I do about this, yeah, I set my stop loss above here. Hold on, let's go to 15-minute time frame once again. If that's a full entry, that's also, I should also find my stop loss. So yeah, I put it above this candlestick, above this, and I should give it some room. So the only risk in this trade is this. This is the only risk in this trade, only this. How many pips was that? So the only risk you'd have taken in this trade was like $2. That's it. That's the only risk you'd have taken. $2 only. So with $2 you would have turned it into like $20, because from down here to all the way, yeah, from my entry point to down here, that's about, bro, 224 pips. So basically you'd have made around $22.4, I think. That's actually a lot. Risk is $2, and price is $22. That's something nice. Okay, let's not consider this take profit. Let's say from here to down here, that's 156 pips, bro. You'd have made like around $15 from that. That's 0.0 around lot size. That's really good, bro. So yeah, just like that, I missed out this opportunity, and yeah, that's not the end of life. If you're trading and you miss opportunities, there's always another day. The money doesn't leave. The money is always there 24/7. The money is always there. So yeah, keep looking for new opportunity every single time you miss a trade. It's okay to miss trades. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope you can subscribe. I'm new to this, so this is my second video. It's part of my first videos, and I hope it educates you and helps you understand more about trading. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and watch my previous videos as well, where I was making a trade breakdown on how I turned $10 to $100, and also soon enough I'm going to be making a challenge on how to turn $10 to $500. I'll do that later on. Anyways, for now I need to work on organizing my channel and how to make things okay. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you later. I do not have an outro video. That's a problem, but I keep looking here because I think the camera is this side. I keep thinking the camera is this side because I'm using my phone for the torch. It's dark in here. My camera quality is really nice, but yeah, I keep looking over here, but the camera is over here. Anyways, I'm gonna be turning $10 to $540. Yeah, that's my goal, or maybe $10 to $200. Stay tuned to watch me do that challenge, and thank you so much for watching this video. Wish you all the best in your trading journey. Do not give up. If you do, you won't be able to see what's prepared for you when you don't give up. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye.